will be using half Japanese, half English. Is that okay? To
Oh.
explain to you.
Oh, okay. Yes.
So まずはよく座ってたで。
おー
はい、私トニーです。では君たち、sorry、お客様のバティック先生です。いいですか？
うん OK
はい、まずは説明するね。
はい。
バティックはね、マレーシアのトラディショナルアートです。
うん
はい、これはローです。普通のローです。
うん。
はい、これは松屋です。
ああ、
はい、
本当
二
松屋。
つに一緒にミックスする。
うん。
そしてパイの使いで、このパイの名前はチャンデ。チャンデ。
チャンデ。
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 Yeah. So you can see how here, right?
Ah, yes.
It's good to us and start drawing.
うん。
はい、こんな感じですね。これ黄色の線は全部ウォーです。
黄色の線。ああ。
これ
うん
全部ローです。
うん
はい、これは頬一です。頬にはこの肩です。
うん。
この感じですね。ステップみたい。
うーん。
これは難しいのデザインはこの方法です。
うん。
It's step over time. So after that we will start coloring.
OK。うんうん。
全部デザインはフリーです。フリーです。
すごい。わ
完成品は中のラインがあるね。
うんうん。Ah, that's beautiful.
That's how we make the animation.
I see. あ、エプロン。あ、はい。
So a few reminder for you before you use the color, you shift the color.
Okay.
Or press the color, be careful. Yes, you should do
yes,
because if you press it so hard, it might explode. So you have to be very careful.
Yes.
So if you notice the color is not coming out, you let me know. I will help you to change a new color.
Okay, thank
And when you wash the brush, you have to dry it. Like this.
Yes.
Because we do not add the water on the color. No water.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Because for the back, we do have to fix the color. Yeah, so just now I mentioned we have to fix the color, right? But this one we don't have to. So after we finish the coloring, after you dry it, you can bring it home to remove the wax yourself, or you can leave it here and I remove the wax for you. Yeah. So see which one you want.
Yes, I'm finished.
So I have you to dry the wax first, okay? It will
Okay.
take around like 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Ah, just 5
Yeah,
minutes.
just 5 minutes.
How about waxing?
You want to do the waxing? Yeah, sure, you can follow me.
Okay. I just want to know how to do it.
Okay. So first of all, we will put the pen inside the wax, stir it for a few seconds.
Yes.
Like this. After that, we will scoop the wax. We only take half.
Wow.
After that, I put it on top of tissue.
Yeah. I'm from Japan. Japan? Yes. Thank you.